Today we will topic the three types of centric. First is allocentric. What is allocentric? In tourism, allocentric refers to a type of traveler who seeks new adventurous and unfamiliar experiences. Allocentric tourists prefer exploring the beaten path destination and are often drawn to different cultures, remote areas, unique activities. They are usually independent, confident, and open, taking risks when traveling. And the second one is psychocentric. In tourism, psychocentric refers to a type of traveler who prefers familiar, safe, and psychocentric tourists often choose well-known places, package tours, and predictable experiences, avoiding risks and unfamiliar environments. They value relaxation and convenience over adventure or cultural exploration. And the last one is mid-centric. Mid-centric tourists are travelers who balance adventure and comfort. They enjoy exploring new places but prefer destinations that are moderately familiar and safe. They're open to some new experiences but avoid extreme risk. This group sits between allocentric adventurous and psychocentric.
Kemarin di script itu